So many animals in the ocean.
Ay, gago, tol! Tol! Gumagalaw siya! Tol! Handa ka na ba mag-Spider-Man? Handa ka na ba mag-Spider-Man? Nakamar... Kamarvel ka na naman, ha? Yan tatalon.
Wala, ayaw na na.
Wah! Terno kami. Hindi pwede si Hobby eh. Mission Impossible na lang. Pwede ka ba ito? Next week. Hindi, next Saturday. Ayop, thumbnail. Yung ano nakakatakot? Yung nakasigaw ka na kagad. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Look. Pangit yun. Sabi sa'yo, magpatuli ka na. Para't matangkad-tangkad ka. Para makalusot ka sa 13 years old. Excited ka na sa Pampanga, El?
Hindi naman.
Sakto lang. Excited na akong magliwaliw dun. Alamin mo kaagad kung ano yung sentro ng pupuntahan mo, tol. Para, oo. Iba pa din yun.
Doon na kayo sa may sinihan, pag-abang. Ako pang marasado, sabi mo na ng ticket.
Ay, baliktad. Wala yung mga ayun. Samsung? Mani. Ito ba may? Bumibili na kami ng pagkain. Nauna na kami sa Ito, takot ako. Bale, nagsisimula na yung movie. Nagbanyo lang yung kasama ko. Okay naman, di ba? Basta sabi mo sa pinanood mo yan.
Ay, maganda naman.
Dilim natin. The Flash.
Wala yan.
Ano masasabi mo, man eh? Wala tayo nakapag ano. Ayun o. Ba? No. Wala mo talaga. Sige.
Ay, kailangan pa eh. Papunta na doon.
Puro gulat. Para gulat.
Sabi ni Gabi.
Hindi niya ate early.
Sumisigaw ba si Gabi? Di naman ata.
Sumisigaw ba si?
Ano yung ingay? Lumigay nga ako bigla.
Si Kuya Bitoy sumisigaw.
Merong seat na assign sa amin. Hindi
Tiklop
kami
na tiklop pa ako, Bitoy.
Kasi kinakabahan ka. Tapos dumating
Tiklop
na
na
yung
tiklop.
sa
Oo,
inupuan
tol.
namin. Ayaw namin umalis kasi nakaupo na kami. Nagsistart na.
Hindi ako nagulat din sa jump scene.
Hello. Putangin, ang dami ko. Gago, hindi ka na kaya ng camp ng ano. Wala siya. Putang ina, pre, kamusta ka na? Tawag dito. May client kasi hindi kami nakikita sa Skype. And ayun, dalawa pala yung account ko. Yung isa para Skype live or something. And ayun, na-risked lang yung meet. Tangina ko. May ilalagay akong clip galing sa Succession na siguro maintindihan nyo lalo.
Yeah, that might be. So, what's happening with your numbers?
What numbers?
What numbers? Lucas.
In India?
Yeah.
Is this Ebba or Oscar? Huh. Okay. Well, we have there's a little issue that we're looking into with subscriber numbers being bullshit. Well, not bullshit, but a little bit bullshit.
What does a little bit bullshit mean?
Well, maybe we discovered a metrics error that has overstated our subs in India by quite a. Like, if there were 2 Indias, it would make sense.
You maybe discovered?
Yeah, but there isn't 2 Indias. There's only 1 India.
No,
and
yeah.
It's a long story, but it's like, it's an emerging market. It's all wet cement. It's
So, stock and cash deal, the board would be well within their rights to pull out. You know that, obviously. So when are you addressing? Like, how are you handling?
I'm not gonna. I don't want some forum monkeys just shorting me. I don't like when people get into me.
It's gonna get out eventually.
Well, or we buy Waystar and it gets lost in the deal dazzle.
SEC, DOJ, is this even legal?
We close quickly, and then shit will get crazy good. By next quarter, the numbers will be real, probably. Come on, it's kind of funny though, isn't it? Right? I know it's pretty bad. I know it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
You can fix it though, right?
Oh,
Right?
yeah, sure. I'll just build another fucking India.
Love that. Build another India. Yeah, it's my girl.
Something shady, which is yun si Gojogo, yun si Alexander Skarsgård, yun yung company niya. Kung merong sabi dun sa clip, kung merong dalawang Indias, it would make sense. So basically inflated yung numbers, and this is probably one of those types of companies na inflate tech companies, which is yun si Gojo. Naungusan sila ng Zoom or something, but basically yung Succession season 4 storyline tungkol sa inflated India numbers, it's something regarding sa real world event, and na gulat lang ako na isa pala yung account ko dun. Ayokong i-accuse si Skype na nag-i-inflate ng user numbers nila sa harap ng shareholders or something. Pero ayun, nagulat lang ako na may